Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Swapnali and I'm gonna show you how to get this no makeup summertime makeup look in under 5 minutes using very basic and very affordable products. So anyways, in today's video I'm gonna show you a very simple everyday makeup look, and the reason I'm taking up on this video or upon this topic because I have like a list of topics for making YouTube videos. Also my background, this is a curtain. I'm trying so hard to get a good background, and this is the best I can do, you all. This is the best. Also it is like late at night, it is 2:30 a.m. I know I have not been sleeping because there's just so much to do, and I think I have like temporary insomnia or something because like I'm not getting enough sleep, but like my day goes fine, and then sometimes I'm not sleepy, and like you can see my face, I'm getting like some dark circles. So for those of you all who don't know who I am, my name is Swapnali, and if you go way at the bottom of this YouTube channel, you will see a lot of makeup content because I have done a professional makeup course. So if you all are thinking why is she teaching me skincare and makeup, mainly makeup in this video, it's because I have learned makeup. I've paid a lot of money to learn that, so I thought why not share it with you all. So let me tell you what I do to start, and this is very summer friendly. Okay, it's very summer friendly, so even if you're gonna go to office, to work, to college, not school, I don't think in school makeup is allowed, so I'm not gonna say school, but yeah, anywhere, basically your classes, anywhere you are going, you can do this makeup look. And I'll talk more about like the makeup look and everything, but the first thing I'm gonna start off with is some skincare. So this is a vitamin C serum which I have made, but anyone is fine. I'm just using this because I just feel that this is so much more potent, and I'm gonna take some of that. Also the funny part is like as soon as this video gets over, I am going to end up removing, not end up, I am gonna remove my makeup. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, guys. On Instagram I'm planning to keep making stories about like skincare and makeup, like what I'm doing in like my everyday thing. Also before you start makeup, put these like clips or put something like a hairband, so this part, like this hair, does not get like sticky or oily with your products, because that happens a lot. Or wear like a nice thick hairband, even that's a good idea. Then after that you want to apply any facial moisturizer. Now I have been trying out this one. It is my front cam, so you all might be seeing it ulta pulta, but this is a Dot and Key probiotic light gel 72-hour hydration. Okay, 72-hour hydration is a long time. It's a long time, that's all I'm gonna say. But if you want to like know a complete review about this product, I'm gonna put that on my Instagram, and that's the consistency of this gel, guys. It's a gel cream. I think they have mentioned it's a light gel, so fair enough. It is smells so good. One thing that I think Dot and Key has done like right is the fragrance. The fragrances are so mild, and for a very long time I didn't really try Dot and Key because I don't know why. Like I kept seeing their ad and stuff, but I just didn't end up trying. But yeah, it's very lightweight, but the only concern I'm having is that it's just this much. I got a trial pack, like I got it from them, so I understand. But even the one that you get, I think that's 100 gram, 200 gram max, and the amount of gel I feel that you need is quite a bit, especially if you have dry skin like mine. Like mine is not dry, mine is combination, but since I have been applying a lot of makeup and a lot of products, and I have been exfoliating, I think my skin has become dry. But yeah, so what you want to make sure that you are doing for this like summer lightweight everyday no makeup look is that you want to apply some moisturizing product or a hydrating moisturizing gel which is very lightweight, because if you put something that's very heavy on the oily and buttery side, your face is gonna start sweating, which is not what you want. Although I am happy with it, I think it's good. I just would have, but I think that's just me personally. The gel is good, but I personally would have liked some more hydration. Probably that's because I make my own skincare, so I add in slightly more glycerin or propylene glycol or allantoin, something that's slightly more hydrating. But yeah, it's not bad, it's not bad. So that's the first thing. Okay, the skincare. Now once the skincare is done, you have very little products that you have to use. The amount also has to be really little. Okay, now if you have acne scars, like see, I have some blemishes. I have one over here, one here. I have a couple of blemishes here, right? So for a person like me, or like if you have more blemishes than mine are not so like so prominent, or something that I'm very uncomfortable with, because I have been down this road too many times to be bothered by acne scars. Forget like acne to theek hai, you can still get stressed if it's like cystic, hormonal, what, but acne scars is like not even a big deal. But yeah, so if you have like blemishes is basically acne scars. Okay, so if you have blemishes and you want to sort of lightly cover it up, what I would recommend is take a concealer. Now like I told you, I was a makeup artist. Okay, I'm not anymore, I was. So I have like these good palettes. Okay, this is the Krylon Derma color palette. I would have preferred the other one, which is the Krylon, not Derma one, like the dark blue color, but like that's in some cupboard and I can't find it. So anyways, these are like, you get shades like these. This is really good for foundation and concealer both. So what I'm gonna do is like my shade, I don't have my exact shade. Okay, so I take this D64 and D64 and DF1, and I kind of just like mix these two colors. So I just do it like this. Okay, I don't think any makeup artist would tell you do this, but I do it because only I'm using the palette, and whatever marks I have, I just go over those very lightly so as to just kind of like hide them. Now if you have like really dark marks, you might have to use a concealer, but not a concealer, but like a color corrector and then a concealer. But since mine are not like that bad, okay, mine are not that bad, so it's okay. I'm okay with this. Okay, and then you just want to like kind of blend it out. So for blending it out, all I do is I just dab. So here I don't have much foundation, like I do, but not much, so I just like kind of dab it out like that. Okay, then I have one blemish over here. This is where the color was. Okay, so as you can see, this color palette like is really good. Krylon is like a makeup artist ka brand. Okay, so anyways, but if you obviously this is like 2,000-3,000 ka palette, obviously you all don't need the palette. So it's something like, I'm gonna leave a couple of them, but one really good one is the LA Girl concealer. Then you have Tarte, but that's expensive. The LA Girl one is really good. Okay, it's cheap and really good. So you want to apply something like that. And now if you have like really dark circles, okay, like really dark circles, you might have to use a color corrector. Now this one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal. So you can use this, but like in a lightweight makeup, I don't like to use it honestly. So what I do is I just take a very like peach color shade, take a little bit and apply. You don't take it all the way here, just over here, okay, because you don't want this to be like very heavyweight. Just apply here and here, and then just kind of blend it out. So this will reduce the darkness of your dark circles, and whatever's remaining, I'm gonna put that on my eyelid as well, because you don't want it to be too stark, right? It has to be really lightweight and just like your skin. And then what you want to do is take whatever foundation color that you are gonna go with, and again only over here you want to apply. Okay, don't go all the way inside, just like on your outer corners apply, and like with your fingers, guys, because honestly I have brushes, I have ton of brushes, but like really you don't need them. Okay, but yeah, and I'm just gonna dab it out like that. Okay, that's good enough, because see, you have dark circles and people know that, you can't like completely hide it. And that's fine. Honestly, I think that's completely fine. I'm gonna show you how to use a color corrector in a different video for your under eyes. If you have like really dark under eyes, I'm gonna show you in a different video, but this is like a very lightweight simple summer makeup, right? So thoda sa concealer you have to apply, and that is it. A powder. Now this is a shade darker than mine, and for a very long time I was using foundations and powders slightly darker than my own skin tone. I don't know for what reason. I just think like I was watching a lot of like these US beauty bloggers, and they always like to go a shade darker. And like a dumb person that I used to go a shade darker. But what happens is, if you go a shade lighter, your face looks great. If you go a shade darker, your face looks dull. And yeah, like you want to apply makeup just so that you look brighter, but it doesn't make sense if you want to apply like a darker shade powder and just look dull again. The good thing about this is that you can just carry this with you on the go in your purse, and you can keep reapplying. And this particular one, the Fit Me from Maybelline, the matte plus poreless, it is actually it like does sort of conceal your pores. So if you have any pores over here, this really conceals that up. And as you can see, I have not applied primer, anything, just to kind of keep it lightweight. This powder you can keep reapplying. You don't have to set it in, because I think when you apply a setting spray, I feel that your face becomes very dry, and I am facing dryness issues currently, so I'm not gonna go that route. Now if you want, you can also apply some blush, but I think personally for me, I can't go light with blush. I always end up applying a lot of blush, much more than what is needed. So I'm gonna skip out on the blush, but definitely go in for a light, like just like a little bit. I do have some blush left on this, so actually I am applying a little bit of blush. I'm not sure if it is visible on camera. Let me see. Yeah, in person I think you can see, and this is lightweight. Okay, so when you want to keep it light, don't apply. Okay, so another thing, when you're applying blush, don't apply the blush over here. Take it very lightly, like just touch over here and take it over here. Okay, this will give you a nice definition to your face. So just take like your blush like that. So here it has to be quite like here, almost invisible, light and dark. Almost invisible, light and dark. Okay, dark as in like darker than this. A little bit on your nose. Always, if you want to look like cute, sun-kissed, you want that kind of like a happy vibe, always apply some blush on your nose. Don't forget that. If you want to look mature, don't apply on the nose. If you want to look playful, young, happy, apply some blush on your nose. Okay, it really helps. Okay, so that is our base done. That is it. Now that is done, see, when you apply foundation, when you apply powders, what happens is, one second, your eyebrows, they end up seeming very as a powdered up and dull. Take a eyebrow spoolie. So this thing is known as a spoolie, and I have like a eyebrow pencil here. Always never use a black color pencil. Some people, however, they like to use black color, which is cool. If you like it, it's your face, your makeup, do what you want. But if you want like a more natural looking brow, always use a dark brown. Okay, can you see? It's dark brown. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Trust me, when like you do your eyebrows differently, your whole face changes. So now we are done with for the eyebrows. I don't put in too much effort because my eyebrows are quite dark, I feel, so I don't have to do much. I just kind of touch them up. If you feel your eyebrows are sort of lighter and you need to work on them more, take your time and do them properly. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now a very important step, which is this mascara. Now as you can see, my face looks thoda sa flat. My eyes look really flat. I'm just gonna take this thing. So guys, I am just taking this mirror. That's my setup. So anyways, I'm just gonna take this eyelash curler and curl my lashes. A lot of people have been asking about like how to curl your eyelashes. I will show you all in a separate video, but I think most of you all already know how to curl the eyelashes. And can you see my eyes just look much more open now? and then take a mascara. Now this one I again got. This is the Color Bar Active Swim Proof Mascara. It's really good, but I think removing this mascara is slightly tough. Like you need something oil, like some oil based cleanser to remove it. Like a normal cleanser will just not do the job. So okay, so can you see my eyes look so much more defined now? Also, I did end up applying some mascara down, but it's okay. It's for a video and it's actually gonna get washed off in like 10 minutes after the video ends. So anyways, that's how the mascara like really changes your look. Now if you want, guys, I'm just gonna show you what I honestly do. If you want like a very no makeup look, I would recommend use a brown eyeshadow shade. So something like this or like this or like this. Don't use any glitter. Difficult for me to keep my hands off glitter. Keep your hands off glitter when you're doing an everyday look. Just don't apply glitter. Okay, so I'm just applying like this cool brown color just roughly over my eyelid. I'm applying on the eyelid and also taking it up. And what I'm gonna do now is I just have one brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this darker brown, like a very small amount, and I'm just gonna add some like shadow on the outside because I don't want my makeup to look. That is it, nothing else. Now if you have big eyes, okay, apply good like a nice kajal. I have very small eyes, okay. Anyways, my eyes are like zoop, so I can't use, I mean I can use, but I choose not to use what do you say, kajal. Not always, sometimes yeah, I kind of like want to go with the kajal vibe, but most of the times when I want to have like a more classier look, I personally try to skip out on the kajal for me, because for me, for my eyes, my face, I think without the kajal I look much more better. Whereas some people with bigger eyes, bolder eyes, more expressive eyes, kajal looks really beautiful on them. For me, I think a eyeliner looks really good. So if you want to put an eyeliner, put, nahi lagana, skip out on the eyeliner. And then last thing, you want to apply some lip balm, lip gloss, or a very lightweight lipstick, not lipstick, whatever that's called. So this is a Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse, and this is the shade Blush Velvet. So this is my friend's part which I have taken and I absolutely love it. And this is a lip gloss which I have made, but any brown color lip gloss will work. I personally love this. This has like a coffee fragrance. This has coconut oil, jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, so like really good stuff, castor oil. So really good. So first I apply this. This is like a mauve pink. And honestly, just on its own also it's okay, but I just like this on top of it. See, I think this like really works better for me. And yeah, that is basically my very like everyday makeup look. And let me just show you. So this is the makeup look, and can you all tell it's really like lightweight and everyday, like, you know, you can just go out wearing this to the mall, to movies, whatever. You look really pretty simple and like, you know, you just did not do much, but you got ready, you know, you were not lazy, but you got ready. And yeah, that is the video. This is something that you can literally do under 5 minutes. And honestly, every day I have like literally the same makeup look everywhere I go, and it's fine, like that's my look, okay. And sometimes I do like to wear a nose ring because that's like my latest obsession, wearing a nose ring. But yeah, that is the makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please engage, guys. It really helps me out. It will really help me out whenever that does happen. But yeah, that is it, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you very soon. And do like, share and subscribe and comment and do everything. And also follow me on Instagram. Yeah, like I do Q&As and stuff like that on Instagram, so follow me. Actually, I'll leave in the description box the Instagram handle, so you know, you can just click over there and go to the Instagram page. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.